Welcome. In this video, I am going to show you the demo of gesture controlled all-terrain RF based robot. Over here, I am wearing one glove. It is having flux sensor over here and also having one Arduino board over here and also battery and RF transmitter over here. It will work on 434 megahertz and here in the robot you can see Arduino board and a receiver over here and 12 volt battery. So while I am showing different gestures, it will move front, back and rotations will happen. So now I will show you how you can be able to work the robot. Now I have bent first finger, so now moving forward and then make all fingers straight, then it will be stopped. Then next 2 fingers I am bending. I bend the next 2 fingers. Now it's moving backward and I make it straight. Now again stop. And I bend the 3rd finger, it's moving right now. To make it straight, it will be stopped. And when I bend all the fingers together, then it will move left then, like this. This is how we can be able to control the robot with the help of gesture. Thank you.